Imagine this. You've just bought your dream car, but instead of a reliable, economical vehicle, it's become a financial nightmare. Many cars seem like a smart investment on the surface. However, certain models have high maintenance costs, constant repairs, and reliability issues that could leave your wallet empty. Today, let's dive into cars that will drain your finances and are some of the worst choices to buy. Cars with high depreciation. Buying a car is always an investment, but some models lose value so quickly that you could end up losing thousands of dollars in no time. One major culprit here is the Chevrolet Malibu. The Malibu faces strong competition from other manufacturers and a perception of lacking innovation in design and technology. This leads to rapid depreciation, with the model losing over 40% of its value within the first 3 years. So, if you decide to buy a new Malibu, prepare to see your investment depreciate fast. Another example is the Fiat 500L. While small and stylish, it has a major issue, a perception of low quality among American consumers. Its depreciation rate is so severe that it practically plummets in the used car market, making you lose far more than anticipated. Within 5 years, the 500L loses about 60% of its original value, making it a true money drain. Cars with high maintenance costs. Some cars might seem like a good deal at first, but long-term maintenance costs can turn the experience into a nightmare. The BMW 7 Series is a classic example of luxury with a hidden price tag. Used models may seem attractive, with significantly lower prices than new ones. However, repairs and maintenance on a luxury BMW can easily exceed thousands of dollars each year. Simple maintenance and part replacements on a 7 Series can cost much more than regular cars, often landing owners with astronomical bills. Another high-maintenance example is the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Despite its popularity, this SUV has a long list of reliability issues, especially in older models. The transmission, for instance, is notoriously fragile and often requires costly repairs. Additionally, the Grand Cherokee is known for its poor fuel economy, adding to the financial burden for its owners. So, if you want to avoid unnecessary expenses, it's best to think twice before acquiring one. Cars with reliability issues. If you value peace of mind, avoid cars with a reputation for constant breakdowns. One of the worst in this category is the Land Rover Discovery. Although it's a luxury SUV, its reliability is notoriously poor. Common issues include electrical failures, transmission malfunctions, and suspension defects, with repairs costing a fortune. Many owners report spending more time with mechanics than actually driving, making the Discovery a true money drainer. Another car with chronic reliability problems is the Chrysler 200. This sedan, now discontinued, suffers from a problematic transmission and engine defects. The Chrysler 200 has been rated as one of the worst cars for reliability in several U.S. consumer surveys. If you don't want a car that frequently lets you down, this one should definitely be avoided. Cars with low fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices, owning a gas guzzler can be a financial nightmare. The Ford Expedition, for example, is a large SUV that, while offering plenty of space and power, consumes fuel at an alarming rate. The 2024 model gets around 16 miles per gallon MPG in the city, making it a terrible choice for anyone concerned about daily fuel economy. Another fuel-hungry vehicle on this list is the Dodge Durango SRT, a high-performance SUV that guzzles gas like there's no tomorrow. It only offers about 13 mpg in the city, which could mean spending more on fuel than on the car itself. If you're looking for fuel efficiency, the Durango SRT certainly isn't for you. Cars with expensive insurance. Sometimes, the hidden cost of owning a car comes in the form of exorbitantly high insurance premiums. One of the worst offenders here is the Tesla Model S. Though it's a high-tech car with impressive performance, its insurance rates can be a huge obstacle for many owners. The reason? The high cost of replacement parts and the complexity of repairs, with many components being Tesla exclusive. This results in extremely high insurance premiums, adding a hefty ongoing cost. Another car with sky-high insurance rates is the Maserati Ghibli. Italian luxury cars are known for expensive maintenance and insurance, and the Ghibli is no exception. Besides the high cost of repairs, the insurance premiums are extremely high due to pricey replacement parts and the exclusivity of the brand. Owning a Ghibli means preparing for a mountain of expenses that go beyond just the car's purchase price. Cars with frequent recalls. Nothing is more frustrating than receiving a recall notice soon after buying a new car. One recall champion in recent years is the Chevrolet Bolt EV. Despite being a promising electric car, the Bolt has faced numerous recalls due to battery issues, some of which even led to fires. This not only raises safety concerns, but also involves time and money spent on addressing recurring problems. Another car with a long history of recalls is the Ford Explorer, which has faced multiple safety issues over the years. Transmission problems, faulty airbags, and even steering system issues have made many owners regret their purchase. When a car is constantly being recalled for repairs, you end up spending more time and money than you should. Buying a car involves more than just looking at the purchase price or attractive design. Hidden costs such as maintenance, fuel consumption, depreciation, and insurance can turn your dream car into a financial nightmare. Before making any purchase decision, do your research, analyze long-term costs, and choose a car that won't drain all your money. Remember, not all that glitters is gold, and some cars only shine until you realize the hole in your wallet. Stay alert to the pitfalls we discussed today and share this video with friends so they can avoid these automotive traps too. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights on the automotive world. See you next time.